Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I do hope things get better. So in today's episode, we are going to be talking about the Macy's beauty box. So she just arrived, so we're going to go ahead and open her up. I believe this is for December of 2021. I have been on their wait list for some time. I believe I canceled this box last December and I kind of regretted it. It's taken me almost a whole year to get back on. So hopefully it doesn't disappoint. This box is $15 a month. You go to Macy's Beauty Box and you can go ahead and subscribe. I will link down below the link for you to subscribe if that's what you like to do. You always get a coupon in this box. So let's see what coupon we got this month and let's see what's inside. So that's what she looks like as we open it up. And we're gonna go ahead and see what's in here. It does come with a little booklet. I won't open it because I don't want to see what's inside, but it says open, have fun, and repeat. Your monthly beauty fix is here. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, we do get a coupon. The coupon is, the only problem with my coupon is you have to make a $40 purchase and then you get money off. So if you're going to go ahead and buy something anyway, this is a good coupon to use, but this, I'm actually going to use it. So that's the coupon there. It is $10 off your $40 purchase. So I already know I'm going to buy a perfume, and so $10 off is not a bad deal. And I have a Macy's credit card, so then on you get money days or whatever, you can if you spend $50 for $50, you get $10 in rewards. Anyways, let's get started. So the first item, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. This is a curling iron, and it's a mini curling iron. Who is this by? I don't know. Oh, SB2 Sutra. SB2 by Sutra, which is cool. I've been needing a new curling iron. And this one's actually kind of neat because then you can put this one in your gym bag or your work bag. And that's what it looks like. It does come with a warranty. It's nice and mini. Pretty good. It's only on and off, so you can't control the heat with this. So what do you expect? And for $15, it's not bad. So you have the curling iron. What is this, a ½ inch? Might be a quarter inch, ½ inch. We got that. And then everything always gets wrapped up in this tissue paper. And the first item, what is the price on this curling iron? Does it say? Curling iron, Sutra Beauty Mini Hair Wand. My bad, it's a hair wand. Let's see. There is, no way. Maybe the full size one. $200? Not for this. It can't be. Anyways, this is $200, but I'm gonna say the full size. If there's a full size curling iron somewhere, it would be $200, but not this one. This is a mini, so that I'm gonna say the full size, because Macy's Beauty Box has deluxe beauty samples, so that must be the deluxe sample, and a full size one is $200. I'll show you the picture of the items. I just now ruined it for myself. I'll show you a picture of the items, and it shows the full size curling iron. So $200. Yeah, nothing. The next item are scrunchies. I can always use scrunchies. How do you open this? Here we go. The scrunchies are valued at, it doesn't say. So this must be like a free item thing. Yeah, it doesn't give me scrunchies. It gives me perfume. Oh, there's some perfume. Little perfume in there. So here are the two. I think I'm just gonna put these in my daughter's stocking because I don't need these. It doesn't say what brand. Oh, they're see-through. I don't know if you can see through them, but there's a black one. Maybe you can't see through this one. A black one and this gold one. Nice, not bad. So you got two scrunchies. So it says the value on this box is $44.63. So that's pretty good for a $15 box. And it's a party prep is the theme of this box. The next item is Sauvage Eau de Parfum for men. And Miss Dior, well, I wouldn't even say for men, but it's geared toward men, and this one's geared toward women. But whatever your preference. I know some women that wear men cologne and vice versa, but there you go. We got 2 of these samples. Dior, Miss Dior Eau de Toilette and Eau de Parfum. And this one here, Miss Dior, is valued at $115 for the full size bottle, which I can attest to. It actually smells really good. I like this one. It's a good one. I don't have the bottle, but I have lots of samples. And these samples, you guys, they're not cheap. They cost some money. And anyways, and then Sauvage is, I think that's how you pronounce it, Sauvage, whatever. This one is valued at $125 for a full-size bottle. Oh, I didn't give you the notes. So it says, the juicy freshness of Calabrian bergamot combined with the deliciousness of vanilla absolute makes for an unforgettable signature. So that's this one here. And then for Miss Dior, it is a blooming bouquet is a fresh and sparkling composition of damask rose dressed in a peony accord, tender, fresh, and charming. And a little goes a long way. So I can attest to that. I get tons of these, and I like this. I haven't bought a full bottle because I get these little samples all the time and other items. The next deluxe sample we have is Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. So we got that. And the full size of this mascara is $23. So we got that. The next item is Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. I love this stuff. I actually go through this very quickly. That's what that looks like. This is a deluxe sample. The full size of this aqua cream, or True Cream Aqua Bomb, is $38. And I love this. This is actually, I haven't bought a full size yet. I haven't committed to that because I have tons of creams and lotions, but this one is really good. And $38 for a full size. And we're down to 2 more items. We have the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Primer. I love this primer. I have not used it in forever, but we got that one. And the full size of this is $37, which, yeah, that is. And then last item is NYX Butter Gloss. We have it there. It's a cute color. And this is $5. So the full size for this is $5. This is a butter gloss. I'm not going to open it because I have tons of these, but that's everything, you guys, for $15. We got the coupon. If you buy anything $40 or more, you get a $10 coupon. And then you have the NYX Butter Gloss. Full size is $5. We have the deluxe sample of the hair wands by Suture Beauty. We got that. We got the Belief Aqua Bomb, which very, very good. We also got the Photo Finish, which is really good. This will last you a long time. It's actually good just to put it in your to-go bag. If you're a traveler, they're great to have with you. That is the warranty. Then we got the Tarteist Mascara. Is this like the man-eater one? No, right? Tarteist. Oh, Tarteist. And then we got these 2 samples of perfume, Sauvage and Miss Dior. And that's everything we got in this box for Macy's Beauty of December of 2021. Now let me show you the picture here. There you go. So I'm going to say that this one here is the full-size item, right? And then those are what the full-size items look like. So I'm gonna say that these were just like the freebie in here. So for $15, you can't go wrong. They do charge tax, so it depends on your city or state what the tax is for that area. Chicago's 10%, so pay 10% on that, $15. And again, and you can also, if you go to Macy's, which I'll be doing a Macy's haul in my next video, so stay tuned for that. They have great sales, and you can pick up a lot of things for $10. And after Christmas, everything goes on sale. How long is this coupon for? This coupon is good till January 28th of 2022. And after Christmas, they usually have great deals, and that can be applied to anything over $40 in the beauty section. And they have great giveaways, and they do great stuff. So that's it, you guys. Tell me what was your favorite thing in this box, and if you liked any of these things, or you also get a December box, not a December box, but if you also get a Macy's box, let me know in the comment section down below. And everything is down below if you want to go ahead and get this box. The link is down there. And that's it, you guys. So thanks for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. And until next time, hasta laters.